Alright guys, checking in for meal number one. This is probably my favorite meal of the day just because it's the most amount of food and it has all the yummy stuff in it. So we're going to be having 12 ounces of egg whites, 3.1 ounces of white rice, and then 5 slices of turkey bacon. I also have 15 grams of added fats today because it's a medium day, so I have 150 grams of carbs. So I put half my added fats on this meal right here, which is just going to be 0.7 ounces of almond butter. And then, of course, got the Diet Coke, caffeine free, and then the gallon jug of water. And after, I will wash my vitamins down with some water as well. But this is meal number one. I'm going to go ahead and get into it, and I'll see you guys for meal number two. Yes, sir. Finally, it's time to eat again. I'm always so hungry every single meal. And these motherfuckers got me 2.5 hours away from my house in Eugene. If you know where that is, if you're from Oregon, I live in Gresham, drove all the way to Eugene. But got the trusty, dusty dust bag. Carhartt has all my meals in it, my pre-workout in it, my vitamins in it, my gum in it. It has everything I need. The person that bought me this, you know who you are. You're real for this. I use it every day, all day long. I never, ever, ever can go without it. But without further ado, get into the amazing number 2 meal. And that is going to be, can you see that? Wait. Chicken and rice. Chicken and rice. So it's 150 carbs today altogether for my whole day. I had 25 for the first meal. And then I have 25 in a chicken and rice meal. And then the other 2 chicken and rice meals, which you guys will see later, are going to be 4.5 ounces instead of 3.1. I split that 25 down the middle, and I split them between the 2 meals. But if you're eating chicken and rice, bro, this shit is really, this is the God sauce. 0 calories, 25 grams of sodium, 25 milligrams of sodium for 1 serving. Nah, bro, you can't beat that shit. So I pretty much pour this in here, make it like soup, and then that's really all there is to it. And then I fuck this shit up. And then, of course, if you get a Diet Sprite from the store, that shit is like crack cocaine. So, you know, I got to do that every time. But yeah, other than that, I'm probably going to just fuck this meal up. I'm literally starving. Usually I'm supposed to eat every 3 hours, but going and doing fasting cardio at 5 a.m. and then eating my meal at 6:30, I can't eat again until about 11:30, so I have to wait 5 hours, which is ridiculous. Insane. Yeah, I know. Alright. Hair's fucked up. We turned up. Finished work. Now I just gotta drive a million hours back. But we are on meal number 3. Trusty dusty Carhartt bag as always. You already know what meal number 3 is gonna be. Boom, get it out. Chicken and rice. This is the one that has more carbs in it, aka more rice. And I make my rice, I just use Trader Joe's rice, and then I put half a lime in it and a bunch of cilantro, so it's like cilantro lime rice. And my coach said it's okay to do that, so turn me the fuck up. That should taste amazing. And then, of course, the soup sauce. I just make it like a fucking chicken rice soup. And this meal is a little special though, because once a day, sometimes with a meal, sometimes if I'm just really hungry, I take my happy ass to McDonald's and I get myself a large Diet fucking Coke. If you know, you know. Sprites and Cokes from McDonald's are literally different. So I treat myself to one like those once a day. But I'm going to go ahead and eat this meal. I'm not going to record my workout just because I've been having really good fucking pumps and workouts. And it's chest day. I want to keep the momentum going since I'm in prep. Bro, I'm gassed. I'm fucking gassed. I jinxed myself, first of all. Probably worst chest day I've had. Whole prep. Worst chest day. Earlier said I was in a groove. Jinxed that shit. 3rd day in a row of doing double cardio, 80 minutes, 40 fasted in the morning, 40 after the workout. Always gassed. 3rd day, always, I'm so gone. But You know what's a blessing right now? Is that I'm about to eat. And guess what I'm about to eat? Chicken and fucking rice. With, you know it, the mild sauce that's gonna make it like soup. That's it, bro. And then you know what I got in the back of the van, right? A 12-pack of fucking caffeine-free Diet Coke, bro. You know I gotta have it on me. Other than that, I'm fucking hungry. And also, if you guys have problems with being hungry during prep or being hungry in general, CLA, can you see that? I don't have a code or anything. You could use any CLA you want. I just use Rich Piana's. One, after like whatever meal you feel like you're most hungry after. So, like if you eat your second meal and you get hungry pretty quick after that, take a CLA. Then if you feel like you're hungry a lot after your fourth meal, take a CLA. That shit helps a little bit for me, but for other people it helps a lot. So, hey man, I'm just letting you know. But I'm gonna get into this meal because I'm fucking hungry and I'm fucking tired and I gotta drive 50 minutes from Beaverton to Gresham to be home so I can lay down and eat a sugar-free fucking popsicle. But I will see you guys on the last meal of the day. And so far, thank you. If you're still watching right now, you're goated and I appreciate it. Bye. Oh, damn, it's dark in here though. Alright, if you've made it to the end, this is the last meal of the day, meal 5. This is one of the meals I also look forward to. I don't know why I enjoy these so much, but it is just 16.6 ounces of egg whites and 3.1 ounces of white rice. This is where my added fats come in. Last meal of the day, I put 0.6 ounces of almond butter. If you don't know, fats make you digest carbs and protein slower so you stay full longer. I think that's why I like to do it in the morning and at night, just so I stay full during those times. But other than that, you know, we have the drink of choice as always, and that will be the full day of eating on 150 carbs. Appreciate you guys for watching. Comment what you think, comment what any ideas you have to make the food taste better, and go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.